Welcome to Chapter 2 of Tally Learning Hub. In this session, you will learn how to create a company in TallyERP 9. Just like you create a book for recording your business transactions, you create a company to record the same transactions in TallyERP 9. To begin with, you need to go to Create Company and press Enter. Type the name of your company, Guru Electronics. Type your address. Let's select the country as India. Select your state. So let me select Karnataka. And now, here's a tip for you. When you see a list anywhere in TallyERP 9, you can quickly filter by starting to type the first letters of the information you want to select. Here, to select Karnataka, I will type K and the list immediately becomes small. Now press A and the list becomes even smaller. Now just press the keyboard up or down key to select Karnataka and press Enter. Type your PIN code, type the contact details of your company. Next, specify the financial year from which you want to maintain your books in TallyERP 9. So here's a new tip for you. You can press the Enter key to navigate down and backspace key to navigate up between the different fields that you see on the screen. Move to the last field on the screen. You will get a message asking whether you would like to accept the settings. Press Y to accept the settings and N to continue editing the screen. And that's it. You are now ready to pass transactions. In our next session, you will learn how to create ledgers in TallyERP 9.